Hey, what's up guys, Christoph with PhoneArena here, and we have the new OnePlus 7 Pro testing its video recording, 4K 60. Let's start by testing the video stabilization. Follow me around. The phone is handheld, no gimbals, no extra equipment. And of course you have much better stabilization in 4K 30, but let's test the 4K 60 option. Okay, let's stop here, move this phone up and down so you can see how to adjust the different exposure. Okay, and you can also use the new telephoto camera. Tap on that 1x button and you go to 3 times digital zoom, and you can switch between that really easy. So let's show this real quick, switching between the 1x and 3x camera. And again, I'll step out of the frame so you can test the continuous autofocus functionality. See if the phone can focus on my hand and the background and how quickly does it do it. Okay, that's it guys, a quick test of the 4K 60 video recording on the new OnePlus 7 Pro. Thanks for watching.